Once there was a boy who had to look the boy who cried a wolf. Once there was a boy who had to look after a flock of sheep every day grazed. Near a village one day it was raining and the boy was bored, so he decided to play the trick on the villagers. Wolf! Wolf! He shouted as loud as possible. A wolf is attacking the sheep! The villagers immediately ran to where the sheep were grazing. They ran fast as the wind to drive away the wolf. When they rushed to the field and found the sheep were quite safe, the boy laughed and laughed. The villagers did not find it funny. The next day the boy shouted as loud as possible, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep!" Just no. The villagers ran to the field as fast as the wind again. They found the sheep were safely grazing on the lush green grass. The boy laughed more than ever, but the villagers found it even less funny. On the third day, a wolf really did come. "Wolf! Wolf!" shouted the boy as the sheep ran in all directions trying to escape from the wolf. "Oh, please come quickly," the boy cried, but none of the villagers took any notice of his cries. No one ran to the field because they thought the boy was playing tricks, just as he'd done before. If you tell lies, no one will believe you when you tell the truth. The end.